Welcome back, everybody. Now senza imali, guys. Funeka imali manje. Sports Pesas telling us that, hey, guys, they want to help you guys make it count. We're going to give you some predictions. And remember, if si right, something, if we're wrong, this has not been betting advice. We're going to speak about some of the games, and we're going to go through what Abo Coach, there's an Abo Coach today, Abo Coach are going to tell us about the games that are coming up this weekend, and hopefully you can make a little bit of money. Please, bet responsibly.
Come on, Oslo.
Please. Ungayifaki yonke. Rent. Okay.
No, listen. If you bet rent, bet for Arsenal to win the league. That's all I'm saying.
When last did they win it?
That is why the odds may not favor us.
When last did they win it?
Over 2 decades. Ne? But
bet team over 2 decades
for Arsenal to win the league.
The amount of faith he has. It's a man of faith.
That's not faith.
Kalefang said put your rent money.
This is not the universe.
Kalefang said put your rent money. We're not saying that as other representatives. He speaks for himself. Please, over 18s only.
Yes.
Guys, this weekend, we're looking at a couple of the games. First up, we've got Manchester City taking on Leeds United. Manchester City, a Manchester City team that lost. Didn't they lose?
Yeah, they lost against
They
Newcastle,
lost.
brother.
They lost just the last game.
You know, if you are betting, this is one tip. I'm a team of Manchester City. After losing, like your total 5.
Leeds boy father
So what are we saying?
Leeds is already at the bottom.
Manchester City straight win,
Clean.
over 3.5.
Yo.
4 goals in that game, one way.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Mtu Abatsepa.
And
they're playing at Etihad.
My guy.
It's late. No,
My
it's
guy.
late.
Nothing more, nothing
Please
less.
understand now. I think I was saying to you last week that Pep is fired up now. Ne? Now having lost to Newcastle last week, now they're 6 points behind.
Hi man, didn't Man City lose last night?
Against Bayer Leverkusen.
Yeah, Leverkusen beat them 2-0. Guys, isn't that a trend? I don't know.
It's not a trend.
Isn't that a trend?
No.
2 losses on the trot?
No. This
I put you 2 even worse.
Please understand. They are 6 points behind. They thought maybe when we played Spurs last week that we might lose. We won. We won. 6 points. They're 6 points behind. Liverpool and Manchester City is like, hey guys, we need to.
You guys have been pretenders for too long. Now you think you're contenders.
According to the odds, a draw is 5.94, and then of course a Leeds win, but it's 10.54.
Yeah, that's
But-
the odds to tell you.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Don't
If
bet on
you
Leeds.
bet your 1 rand, you get 10 rand back. If you bet your 10 rand, you get 105 rand 40 cents.
Do not bet on
And
Leeds.
then, of course, Manchester City's odds are 1.27. Remember, the smaller the number, the more likely the thing is to happen. So they can't give you more money if we're thinking that City's going to win.
Bet on
Eh?
Leeds.
Man City 4-0.
Jeez. Okay.
Do not bet on Leeds.
Crystal Palace versus Manchester United, another team that is up and down. Amorim Paul. One day Sebenza, the next day Sebenza. Is it going to work this time?
Listen, and they lost against Everton, by the way.
This for me is a BTS. Both teams to score.
Oh, sure. Buemo.
The odds for that are not here, but if you
That-
click on the options, I'm sure they'll give you. But I think a BTS. Crystal Palace have a goal in
Decent.
them.
Yes,
It's a
Mateta's
decent
there.
team.
Mateta's there. They
Man
can do
United can pull one. So I say so because Man United is playing away. So
And I would lie to you and say, if Energy Man City they lost and they're gonna come back with King United.
nah, this is
United. And they're playing.
Amorim Paul can do anything,
This is
guys.
Selhurst
Any
Park.
day.
Can we be serious?
It could be a 6.
This is Selhurst Park. Crystal Palace is not a walkover. This team not a walkover. So I see, like you're saying, both teams to score maybe like a 1-1.
Are we going draw?
2-1. If maybe Man United are lucky, probably a 2-1. But they definitely gonna score. Both teams definitely will score.
Oh,
I
wow.
think.
Okay.
And you see all the ex-players are thriving. Some Man United. All the ex-players. The one bicycle kick McTominay. Holland, Manchester United is
Hashtag
trash.
Pog back. He's back. Anyway. The odds say 3.55 draw. Then it's very close, guys. 2.41 Crystal Palace and 2.85 Manchester United. They're still going Mara,
That
Giddy
shows,
point.
like it shows how far United have fallen as a club.
Imagine
As a club.
and they, like Crystal Palace are expected to win.
As a club, United.
You are an underdog against Crystal
against
Palace.
Crystal Palace. United is cooked, bro.
Let's move on to another really cooked team. West Ham versus Liverpool. Beke Liverpool. Beke Libeke.
Fraud.
Kanti wani sibiza ma-fraud. Mawe coach fraud. Yo.
Mara mawushawe kangaka in a row.
3-0 against Nottingham Forest. Ewidliwe ekhaya.
Guys.
It's very
Sometimes
shaky.
things don't go your way, and it's football.
Mara kunini things are not going his way.
SMS by Tay.
Last season, bekadubula kwasani efikendlini.
Here's a funny stat I saw. Over the last 30 games, Arne Slot has more losses than Amorim.
Listen.
More losses than Amorim.
Fraud.
Just by the way.
And Uzqubule zonke lama losses this season. Onke that mess of losses.
So guys, West Ham, Liverpool.
And almost $500 million that they've spent. Greed.
He's enjoying this so much.
$500 million
He's enjoying this
that
so
they've
much.
spent. Okay, please call a loss. Induku. Every week.
But they're expected to win.
They're
against
drunk.
West Ham.
Here's
Away?
the thing.
You know, it's Liverpool win draw. Like they
Utembeni.
my man,
Utembeni.
man. To be honest, it's simply because they are Liverpool.
Ntanda, you know the Liverpool PR makes me sick.
No, mina, my team. To be honest, is
Oh, yeah,
Manchester City.
Oh, okay.
My team is Manchester City.
Oh, okay.
But I think Liverpool win draw. Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna be a straight draw.
Yeah.
Or you can say either West Ham or Liverpool win. I don't think there will be a draw. In fact, yeah. It's
Look-
either a win for Liverpool or for West Ham.
Look, Liverpool is looking very shaky. Arne Slot is looking. He does not know what he's doing. Gubi, le $500 million in Shelila. I'm stressed. Le $500 million that he spent, and right now it doesn't look like he has a plan. Ukonate, shell of himself. Push back. Why he not there all the time? He right back. He right back. So what slides? Second midfielder. It's a mess, that team. That's not happening. The win not happening.
it's West
It
Ham
draw.
straight win.
West Ham. Yeah, it's playing at the London Stadium, but I'm quite sure. I'd say rather go for a draw.
The odds say a draw would be 4.24. West Ham
draw, for
win
sure.
is 4.72. And then Liverpool win is 1.66. So the bookies are saying, Slot might have something here. But Liverpool fans, Jurgen Klopp ukupile love back. Maybe it's time. Let's talk to you now.
Come on,
Chelsea
Arsenal.
versus Arsenal.
Brother.
Chelsea put
Don't
Barcelona to the sword
Don't
just
let
last
Chelsea
night.
That played a pass. Don't tell me about that Chelsea. Stop it.
Stamford Bridge.
Stop it with the best players, Kukurea. Stop it.
Stamford Bridge.
Don't tell me about Stamford Bridge. Don't tell me about this thing. Arsenal, right? Arsenal. Bro, it's so good.
For me, it's an Arsenal win or draw.
Thank you.
At the worst, Arsenal are getting a draw.
Arsenal
is a solid team.
Solid.
To be honest, like
We are upset when we concede a shot on target. We're upset.
you know the thing is, I feel like Arsenal maybe in the past 4 or 5 years they could have won the league.
Yes.
If they were not up against Manchester City. It's just unfortunate. It's like Iniesta no Messi.
We have Uma.
It's like Iniesta no Messi. Let's be honest.
fine.
If Messi was non-existent, Iniesta was gonna collect some
Everything.
of his Ballon d'Ors.
So,
Yeah,
right
well,
now, Arsenal.
Is that what happened?
Listen, Arsenal.
You didn't shoot yourself in the foot.
Listen, the fact that we did not have Gabriel in that team, we did not have a striker. Jokeres wasn't in that team. We scored open play goals. We scored open play goals against Spurs. Spurs is shy Sanjay, one shot. Yakora. Beyond that, shy for one. Please, my man. Please.
Does Eze replace Odegaard?
Not a real thing. Not a real thing.
Does Eze replace Odegaard?
Odegaard is special, my guy.
Lapo, look, I love Eze, but Odegaard is a different type of time.
Odegaard is
Different
Yeah.
crazy, bro.
Khohlwa.
Isn't this just love?
Yeah,
Isn't this
yeah,
just
yeah,
love?
yeah, yeah.
Umnandi.
Yazi mamela yazi le idlala kanjani le ingathi ibuye Soweto re kahle
Bo,
hore
imnandi. Nimthanda ngoba umnandi.
hayi
No, here's the thing.
kunabo
You spoke about contextual things, right? Contextuality. So now, what? The reason why Eze thrived in that game is because they don't have Gyökeres in that game. We had Merino. So then that gave Eze more time on the ball because Merino wants to give you the ball and so on. And so forth.
So do you continue
Now,
with that?
when you have Merino, you can't have Merino and bro.
No. But do you not continue with what looks like a more explosive partnership, or do you go back to Odegaard and Gyökeres, who Gyökeres were waiting for him to score for a very long time?
You know what's great? We have these options.
Mara ngiyabuza,
so when
ngiyabuza,
Here's what's
when
great.
uwina ini la
Arsenal.
Ngiyabuza.
Ungangitsheli nge-Chelsea. PSG lentuzana iBarcelona.
I think it can be an Arsenal, a BTS, but an Arsenal win. Maybe they bangayishayisa nyane one.
Okay.
They've got the ammunition to score a goal at least.
I rest.
And based on Arsenal not conceding, they're not gonna concede.
Yo, I rest. The odds are resting on 3.26 for a draw. We've got a 3.26 for a Chelsea win and a 2.29 for an Arsenal. So the bookies aren't all the way in with
is
Arsenal,
ridiculous. It's
but
fine.
still, guys, very quickly, I want us to just touch on what's happening. We don't have the odds for these games, but I just want to touch very quickly on what's happening in Africa this weekend.
Africa, ngoba sikho.
Zamalek. Yeah, no, nama passport. Zamalek is playing Chiefs. Chiefs already struggled in Egypt. They're playing home versus Zamalek. It's the other way around. They're playing home versus Zamalek. Baba Isa Polokwane. How do we feel about Chiefs and Zamalek?
It's Chiefs. Hey.
Umntu.
Abo if there's one team nengizwisa ubuhlungu Joe, and I feel like the team le has done so much for South African football. Like ngizwa ubuhlungu ne because I feel like
They need something. They
they
deserve
need
a
something
break.
fair to like Chiefs. The Chiefs Pella has plays a major role for our for the league that we have.
Yes.
The
Like it or not.
like it or not, le team enkulu.
But they
I
took
like
9
the
years
Chiefs.
off.
Huge.
9.
I mean, I get I don't support any team local.
Ah.
I don't. No, say on the real, I don't.
Ni huge, mara.
I used to support a team, but
Masai Swai.
man just support the team in coach.
It's fine.
Support who pays me.
Swallows fans.
Ke maswai
Ke maswai swai.
Ke le swai
I
swai.
support, no, the team still exists. Living in support.
Okay. So awufuna ukukhuluma.
So guys, realistically, Chiefs is now down 3 points in that group. Zamalek is the reigning champions of the Confed, if I'm not mistaken.
I think
Yes.
so.
Does
the
Al
other one
Ahly.
that knocked out
Stellenbosch, yeah.
Yes.
Look, does Chiefs make it out of the group? I'm just going to be frank.
I doubt. And I don't know what's missing. Yeah, what I want
This
like manje ne, they clearly have better players than last season.
Okay.
Ne. But man, hlangane. Angazi.
Look,
like,
man,
hlangane.
not to make it out the group. I don't see that. I don't see them not making it out.
Zamalek, Al Masri, Zesco.
Ngeke babuye.
They've already lost to Al Masri once.
Remember, phela, if you are struggling, udlala ePolokwane, next week udlala eDurban, next week Cape Town, you're struggling.
Imagine
Now you have to go to Africa. My friend, you're expecting too much.
Yo, jet lag. Guys,
Yeah, it's bad.
MC Alger versus Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sundowns.
Big
Friday
game.
night,
Huge
9
game.
o'clock. Coach Rulani,
The drama. There's a
Coach
story.
Cardoso,
There's a story.
MC
It's
Alger,
beautiful.
Mamelodi Sundowns.
Coach Cardoso beats Rulani, usually. Does this change? They've got a history, but Rulani also knows
to be honest,
Sundowns.
ngizosebenzisa favoritism.
Ah.
Yabuya ingwenya la, ibuya ne-3 points. Coach Rulani uyaphuma
No,
la
but
ne-3 points.
Sundowns really looks good, bro. Really. You said something about something about they're just big boys in the Champions League, and they are prepared and they are comfortable, and they showed that in that game. So, Njengo Picasso,
Wait,
Ingwenya, nje to Rulani.
no, but you guys were talking about Manchester
No, but
City.
honestly speaking,
You guys were talking about Manchester City coming back. Rulani lost his first game.
yeah.
By the way.
like to be honest, it's not by default. They are sitting, I think, on top of the table, and they've barely lost the game. Ne? I just think maybe football happens. You lose some, you win some. And it was just unfortunate like the first game by losing. But I think this is going to be a very nice fixture. It's going to be very competitive. And I've seen a lot of flexibility in terms of Coach Rulani, in terms of his tactical acumen. He's learned certain things.
Got those are born tactical ability.
No, Coach Caruso is a good coach. You can't take that away from him, right? But these are two different coaches, I think. So it will be very interesting to see the styles of play. But I think for me, the worst result MC Alger can get, I think, is a draw. I don't think they're going to lose the game.
I'm going with Coach Cardoso. Coach Cardoso and that international trio. Mabati Nuno Santos, Bati Allen, Bati Legwenye, Uresinho. I know. And then Sale, second half. Guys, I'm sorry. I think what this game is going to teach us is whether Coach Rulani has matured all the way. If Coach Rulani has matured now, in the sense that whenever he plays Champions League, when it comes to these big games, unok shaker sometimes. I know it's still group stages, I know. But unok shaker sometimes when the occasion is very big. Right? And sometimes ego takes over and he wants to continue doing the thing instead of maybe, you know how African teams play. There's a point where you go 1-1, nil is okay. So if it does play out that way, I think this is going to be a boring game. And I think it's going to be a cautious game. I think MC Alger is going to try very hard at certain places, certain phases, but I think it's going to be a very cautious game. And I wouldn't be surprised if it becomes a draw, if I'm being honest.
That's fair.
If I'm being honest.
With those Brazilians that Sundowns has.
But one thing for sure, I don't think Coach Rulani is a timid coach, regardless of maturity and you can't change character. Coach Rulani is brave. He goes for things.
Yeah.
Who will sit back and be like, oh yeah, they are coming. We'll sit back. He gives as much as he takes. If you are throwing punches, he throws. So I think it's going to be an exciting game. I don't think it's going to be boring.
It's going to be boring.
If by any means, if by any means, yes, maybe he'll be compromised somewhere setting up his team, but he's not gonna sit back.
Okay. No, I mean,
regardless of,
I'm using a boring game, irregardless. Guys, thank you for joining us. Obviously, Presile, guys. Hopefully, you can make some money. Please don't bet your rent.
Arsenal,
rent. I say believe. So, Joinani Press. Shout out to SportPesa, the sponsor, for helping us make it count. And then, of course, Omni Audio, our partner, for having this show out.
Arsenal,
guys, next week. Bye everyone.
Arsenal, rent.